Hola, amazing subscriber of Overworks, and of course, new audience joining us today for the first time. I am your host, Emmanuel is the name, and today we want to get the daily cipher solved. The code for today is swap. So, without taking much of the time, let's dive right in. So, to get into the daily cipher mode, I'll just click on this button right here, click on it, and now we're in the daily cipher mode. In order to get the S, we will triple tap because today's code is swap. So to get the S, I'll just triple tap 1, 2, 3, give us the S. To get the W, I'll single tap once, long tap twice. So single tap, long tap, we'll get the W. To get the A, I'll single tap once, long tap once. So single tap and then long swap tap, boom, we'll get the A. To get the P, I'll tap once, long tap twice, tap once. So tap once, long, single tap. So that's it. We'll crack when we take the prize. Thank you guys for watching. Ensure to subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.